In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a withdrawal method in Deel. First, sign in to your Deel account. Open the official Deel website or app, enter your login details, and head to your dashboard. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you're using the correct account you want to receive payments from. Once you're in, we'll go straight to the place where payout options are managed. From the main navigation, go to Finance, then select Withdrawal Methods. This page shows any methods you've already set up and lets you manage them. You'll typically see which method is set as default, along with options to edit or remove existing ones. This is your hub for controlling how you get paid, so it's a good idea to get familiar with what's listed here. To add something new, click Add Method. Deel supports a variety of payout options, and the right choice depends on your location, currency preferences, and how quickly you need the funds. You can choose standard bank transfers if you want money sent to your bank account, or options like Deel Instant Card Transfer for faster access to eligible cards. There's also the Deel Card, as well as popular services like PayPal, Payoneer, Revolut, and Wise. If you prefer digital currencies, you may see Coinbase or other supported digital currency options. Availability, fees, and processing times can vary by region and by method, so take a moment to compare what's offered before continuing. After you choose a method, enter the required details as prompted. For bank transfers, that might include your account number, IBAN, or routing information. For cards, the relevant card details, and for digital wallets or crypto, the correct account or wallet address. Make sure the account holder name matches your Deel profile and double-check numbers and addresses carefully to avoid delays. Some methods may prompt you for additional information or ownership confirmation, which is normal and helps keep your payouts secure. When you're finished, review everything on the confirmation screen. Look for any fees, minimum withdrawal amounts, estimated processing times, and currency conversion notes. If everything looks right, submit to save the method. Remember, adding a method doesn't move funds by itself. It simply makes the option available when you withdraw. You can return to the Withdrawal Methods page at any time to set a default method or make updates. That's it. You've learned how to find withdrawal methods in Deel, add a new one, and confirm it with confidence. Keep your details up to date, watch the fees and minimums, and you'll always be ready to get paid the way that works best for you.